and welcome to English Sandwich. We are a channel dedicated to helping people learn and study English. Today we're learning about indefinite pronouns and how to use these as the subject of a sentence. Pronouns are words that replace a noun, such as I, you, we, they, he, she, and it. Some pronouns don't refer to a specific thing though, and they just refer to a general idea. These are called indefinite pronouns. Some of the most common indefinite pronouns are everyone, everything, someone, something, anyone, anything, no one, and nothing. Note that pronouns like everyone and everybody are equal. You can use either word in the same way. We can use these pronouns as the subject of a sentence, but it's important to note if they're singular or plural. Singular pronouns are conjugated like the subjects he, she, or it. They represent one thing, person, or group. Plural pronouns are conjugated like they. They represent more than one person or group. So let's see some examples. These examples use singular pronouns, so the verbs are conjugated just like the subjects he, she, or it in the present tense. Everyone likes this movie. Somebody is walking this way. A little goes a long way. Nobody is waiting here today. You can see that these examples all talk about one thing, or one group. They're all singular, and the verb is conjugated with the singular subject. Here are some examples using plural indefinite pronouns. Several follow me to the park. Most like the chocolate flavor. Only some have the stamina to finish the race. Be careful about words such as all, any, and none. These words can be either singular or plural. Any toy is fine. Any toys are fine. Indefinite pronouns can help us expand our language and talk about general ideas and truths. But just be careful about conjugating the verb correctly when using indefinite pronouns. Pay attention to whether it's talking about one thing or many. Thank you for watching this video. Leave a like if you liked this video, subscribe for more content, and leave a comment if you have any questions. For more English learning content, be sure to join our live streams on Twitch at twitch.tv/English_sandwich, where we stream live English lessons and fun content to help you learn and practice English. Twitch subscribers also have access to a worksheet with grammar practice each week. Thanks for watching.